Okay, the first thing that I'm going to want to do is to have you go to the blog. To get there, you have to go to the class website, and then from the class website, you're going to go to the tab that says blog and scroll down to the class period that you're in. When you click on the class period that you're in, you're probably going to have to log in, and so I'm clicking the login up there. Remember to log in, you select your name, and then you put in your password. You should have changed it to your school password. If you have not, it's probably still 1234. Once you log in, you're going to look at the post that I posted that says conflict unit values. And so you can read through the question that I posed to you, and then these 4 things I want you to reflect on your post. So you'll have to click a new post for yourself. You can copy and paste those questions in, but I need you to reflect upon that. You probably are only going to have about 10 minutes, so if you don't get finished, then you need to do that at home. Once you move on from class, once the sub directs you to go forward, then I need you to go back to my website, and you're going to see that there is a new tab which is called For Futures. And I need you to click on the For Futures, and you should get a page that would look like this. And up at the top, you need to download the original document to your desktop. So to do that, you click on it, and you're going to see this little icon show up. You need to click the Save button and make sure that this box says desktop so that you're saving it to your desktop in order to find it quickly. So then you are just going to click Save, and it should appear on your desktop. Then I would have you go back to my site, and you're going to notice that underneath that I have embedded the document, and when you scroll down I have some thought bubbles, which are questions that I want you to answer once you're done reading the future that you've chosen. So in your pod there are 4 of you. There are 4 different futures. You each need to read one future, and that's what you'll be responsible for on your block day. So one person should read future 1, one future 2, one future 3, and one person future 4. All of the documents are set up the same way, so you have the same questions that I want you to do. I want you to highlight the key points as you're reading. As you're reading, I want you to have another thought bubble that tells what values you see present in this future. I want you to have a thought bubble that talks about what you think foreign policy would look like. So once you read this section, you're going to give just like a summary of what it would be. And then there are arguments for this future and arguments against this future. And so again, I don't want you to rewrite everything that's listed here. I want you just with words or phrases be able to synthesize this as to why this future is good and why this future is bad, so you can share that out to the rest of the people who have not read about this future on your block day.